I have to take real life into the account. So you have to understand that 315 is 195 minutes, AE and I. It's IOU. Okay? It's the birth, the circle, okay, around the center number 5 on your telephone gets the 1 dot. That's why you get 6, the 1 dot. This is the circle. That's your 8 that surrounds 6, the cat in the hat, the dot in the center. The 195 is the aleph that crosses through the center. The opposite way of 195, the opposite way of 195 is 3 and 5, 8, 5 and 7, 12. 8 and 12 is the T. It's the crisscross. So you crisscross. You put a line between these two and a line between these two and then a line down the center. Whichever way you want to crisscross it. But what I'm going to show you, how do I get, and what is not 195? 195, 195 minutes, which comes up from 315, okay, which equals to a total, okay, of 1,110, 1,116, equaling to 11 and 1627, the red light. If I want to get to 195, I need 39 nickels to get to 195. Or I need 7 quarters to get to $1.75 and 4 nickels. 7 quarters and 4 nickels. That's perfect. 7 and 4 brings me to moon. 7 by 4 is 28. 7 by 4 is 11. If I have 9:15 in time, 915 minutes, I need 36 quarters to bring me to $9 or 900. I need, excuse me, is this right? Then I need 3 nickels to bring me to 15. So I get 36 quarters and 3 nickels. The total amount I need is 39. Creation of I, creation of I. 30 equals 36. So now I would have to multiply 39 by 36, because when I hit a 0, I automatically get a 6. So it's 39 times 36. And the new answer is going to be 1404, which would be 1464, Zion, Israel. 404. 0 would now get 6 before 64. Okay, forget about the 1. Okay, the 1 is area place. 1 or 2, A or B. Why? Because on the clock, that's what it is. You don't get more than 24 hours in the day. The same time, 1404, if it was the time of the day, it'd be 204. 204 is 124 minutes. You got the cat in the hat, the big bad cat in the center of this. There's the I. Here's the circle, makes the 8. The 8 goes around. The question is, what's the value of the 8? In Lo Shu and in numbers, the value is the same thing. It's 40. It's 40, 40, 40, 46. Zion, Israel, the Mediterranean, E-A-N. Take away E and A and replace the E and A with an O, because E and A play in the O. It's O-N. It's on and off. 3.14159265, the birth of the creation of the beta world, the divided world. 9 and 5 is 14. So we now, I'm just trying to show you that. Anyways, we got to 204. This is 1404. 720 and 124 is 844. So now we go 484. 4 and 8 is 12. 4 and 8 is 12. Those are the 2 half clocks. It also stands for space and the doorway for space, because that's what the numbers say. After 10 years of working on this, that's what the numbers say. Yes, yes, give me another 48 and we'll have another answer. The BC world of alpha beta, 32 and 12. 12 equals to L. It equals to U. It equals to C. C03, 3 is the counter. 03, 03, 0 gets 6, it's 63. 03 now equals your 9 birth, it's C and I. 09 equals 6 and 9. 6 and 9 into the 10 world, because we want it on the cross perfectly, equals 1 and 4. 1 and 4 equals to 3. 1 and 4 can equal to 3 and 9, as 4 and 3 will equal to 7. 9 and 1 will equal to 10, giving you at the 7th gate. You brought yourself to the gate with the numbers. You bring yourself the 7, the 10 brings in the light, the 13 brings you in the 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, AC energy. This way and this way, this way and this way. 1, 3, 3, 1. Instead of going 1, 2, 3, let me bring out one more. A, B, B, C. D, E, E, F, G, H, H, I. A, B, C, D, E, F, D, E, F, G, H, I. A, B, B, C, D, E, E, F, F, E, E, D, feed the beef. depending how you run this on your clock. And these are in between. But in between is a bab. Because it's in between. They're all 0.5s. Anytime you go in between, it's a 0.5. Even when you're in your own house and you're in between, it's a 0.5 between two. And you come back the same way. CBVA, College Basketball Association, which is coming up right now at March break. Everything is frozen. We're ready to move the crust. 6 and 3 is 9. 5 and 4 is 9. 7 and 2 is 9. 8 and 1 is 9. But these are the only two that we can knock on our head. The creation of man and the sun. Creation and the sun. 3 by 6 is 18. The heaven of one angel. 5 by 4 is 20. The one sun inside here, 20. The ace hole is right in the center. 7 and 2 equals to 9, the gateway of Venus. There are two ways. 2 by 7 and 2 plus 7 is 9 is 14. Again, back to 3, 6, 9 with the gateway of Venus. And then 1 by 8 equals 9 is the heaven spirit. One world of 8 brings you to 6 and 8. Again, 6 in the center, surrounded by 8. 5 and 1. The 1 gets over here because this gets open. You must open it up. You put the 1 over here. 5 and 1 is 6. 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 But you bring, the way I'm understanding it, is you have to bring one of them in. This must connect to come in. So 5 and 1 is 6 coming in. And then you go 5 and 1 is 6. 5 and 1 is 6. 5 and 1 is 6. You need an in and an out. Okay, so we have all these three. So we add up 3, 2, 1 equals 10. We add up 5, 6, 7, 8 equals 26. 10 and 26 is 36. Bring me another 6 equals 42. We've got the center of the surrounding heaven. 6, 5, 7, and 8, 26, 36. 18, 38, the church. 44, the space. 54, 58, the angels, the silver surfer angel. 58. And this is 68. So let's add it up the right way. 8 and 6 is 14, and 4 is 18, and 8 is 26. 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 and 6 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 36 this way, 36 this way. By adding this, this comes correct. This will equal to 42 and 36. 42 and 36 is 78, makes the gateway. That works in 9. And we do this with all the numbers. Okay, there's another number that's missing here. Okay, in order to get 9, 9 minus 10 equals 9. The light, 9 minus the light equals the birth. 9 plus 10 equals to 19. Plus 6 equals to 25. 5 times 2, 5 plus 2 equals 10. And again, you must add 6. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 5 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 6 plus 2 is 9. 4 plus 1 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9. You have to use all of them. They all have a reality in their own sense. It depends what board game you're going to play is where this is going to pop out. 4 by 12 and a half is 50. Where else, what was I doing inside of here? What brought on this video, I don't know. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. I'm still working on Nibiru. Nibiru comes out to 220. 110 stories of the Twin Towers. Nibiru equals to 167. W 2323. What is this? Earth, Jupiter, 5 and 3. What's 5 and 3? The N, 14, which brings in your 369. The R is the angel birth. This is the street of Beirut. The angel heaven, this is the cube. This is your DNA. This is your AD. 369 come here. Your 1 and 8. We're not going to get into that. Blah, 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 blah. Let me rephrase something over here. IBI equals 167. 1 and 6 equals the 7. This brings the light to the gateway. 5 and 3 is electric company and waterworks. Electric company is on number 29 is birth. Waterworks, if I get it correct inside Monopoly, is on number 13 is your AC power inside waterworks, bringing the birth through the water. W, waterworks, number 23, 56, 56, 11, 11. 29 equals 11, and this will equal 11. They all equal to 11. And that's your Nibiru, 220 volts, 110 stories of the Twin Towers. 110 equals 116. 116 and 116 equals 232. 322. The light of both worlds. K9, 911, 911. let's just understand the way I see things. Here's an E and here's a G. If I have an E, I take this and I flip it this way. If I have a G, I take this and I flip it the other way. If I have an E, I turn it this way. If I have the 3, I turn it the other way. Letters are telling us which way. If I have the A, it says on 2 sides. If I have the B, it's a straight line through the center, and it's saying connect this line. All the alphabet, the letters, and everything else is just a programmation of telling us of what else to do. And since I don't have a computer in my head, it's very hard. I just know all the things. In our money, we have 41 pennies. 1 in 4 brings 369. But if I play poker, we have to understand what it is in poker. You get to a table, there's only 52 cards in a poker deck. So if you get 52 cards in a deck, then how many players can we have? If we open 5 on the table and we throw away 3 cards and everybody gets 2 cards, we have 20 players. Everybody gets 2 cards is 40. 5 on the table is 45, and then 6. Okay, to get thrown away. If we had to have 1 more player, we'd have 21 players, equaling to 42 cards. Then we have 10. We get 5 on the table, 5 go away. We get 22 players. We get 22 players at 2 cards. That's 44 cards. 5 on the table is 49, and 3 go away. So we can have 22 players and bust at the table in order to use up all the cards. And in poker, we have to understand that there's only $5 chips and $1 chips. So in order to get to 24, we have to have 4 5s and 4 1s. 4 5s equal 20, 4 1s equal 4. 4 and 4 is 8 to make 2 piles and 2 piles. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. And I'm going to keep putting these out here. Watched or not watched, whatever it is, I just have a goal in mind, and that is to succeed and piecing this entire puzzle together. And if I don't do this, then it's going to convolute in my head and then just shrink my mind. And I don't want to shrink my mind. I want to grow my mind. And this is going to be all about, I want to keep putting these things out about Nibiru. Things about Nibiru. We have to understand we're number 7 and 3. 7 and 3 is 1111. And those are the 2 numbers that count for Nibiru. And I want to just go back over this one more time. The Twin Towers, the Dual Suns, the Gateway, 7, Creation 3, Nibiru numbers, 21 Blackjack, 10 brings in the light, 21 Blackjack brings in the birth of the light. This is all Nibiru Sun that talks all about this, okay? We have to split things up. We split things up. The Gateway, G and E is 5 and 7, and we are in the year of 5775. 72 is the rotation of time. 72 times 360 equals 25,920. If we do one more 360, we bring in man with 360 inside the gateway. 74 is the Christ. 25, you're in the middle. Where is 7 and 3? 3's on this side, 7's on this side. Or 3's over here and 7's on this side in low shoe. Things get reversed. There's a ton of number systems that we have. We got to use them all. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. Raphael 72, Laser Lipa. Laser Lipa, that's who I am. Raphael Ben Laser Lipa. That's who I am. Man, that's nice. That's where I get this name, Free the Myth of Zazareth, because that is my name. Zazareth, Laser Lipa, and Zar is the king of the Zaret of the sky, the king of the PC world. Thank you.